Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is one of the best AI tools out there that anyone can use. And the good part of it is that Google AI Studio is free. You can start using it for so many things as it is free. There are so many AI tools out there that are so expensive. But with Google AI Studio, you can have access to those features that these AI tools do or have for free or for a little penny. So for a start, you can use Google AI Studio completely for free. And what can you do with this? You can do a whole lot of things with this Google AI Studio. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through on several things you can do with Google AI Studio. So to get started, all you need to do is to come to ai.google.com. Then you log in with your Gmail. So once you come to your account dashboard, you're going to see all of these, and these are the things you can do with Google AI Studio. You can either start a chat just like ChatGPT, give it a prompt, a command, and it will respond to you. You can turn text to speech with Google AI Studio. You can generate images with Google AI Studio. You can generate live dialogue with Google AI Studio. You can fetch information from a particular URL, any website, with Google AI Studio. So over here by your right side, you're going to see the different models and settings that you can work with. It is important to note that this works with your phone as well. You can use this on your computer and on your phone. If you want to use it on your phone, you can check out their app on Play Store or Apple Store, or you can as well open it on your browser. Any browser you are using, just open it on your browser, sign in, and switch your browser to desktop or computer view. Alright, so once you switch your browser to desktop or computer view, you're going to have a more wider view, and you're going to see everything that you're seeing on this screen right now in your phone. But if you don't switch it to desktop or computer view in your phone, you are still going to have access to it, but it's going to be the mobile version. Okay, so having said this, let's continue. So you can do a whole lot of things with Google AI Studio. You can generate speech, text to speech, generate images. If you come to generate media, you will see that you can generate videos with Google AI Studio. You can generate music. They have two different image generation models, the Imagine and the Gemini model. You can generate or turn text to speech. You can as well see what others have done, and you can recreate it. So this is to tell you that Google AI Studio is a powerful tool, and like I said, it is free. So before going to spend or pay for expensive tools out there, you can begin with Google AI Studio. Here, when you come to build, you're going to see different apps that you can build with Google AI Studio. You can build your own app, you can code your own app with Google AI Studio using these templates here. These are existing templates that you can use to build your own app using Google AI Studio. All you need to do is to integrate your API to it, and you have your app functioning. When you come to history, you are going to see all the files that you have worked on or worked with. You are going to find them here under history. Your images, your sound, everything that you have worked with using Google AI Studio. And if you want to save it so that you can as well get access to it all the time, you have to link it to your Google Drive. When you come to chat, this is like your dashboard. So when you come to stream, this has to do with having a live interaction with Google Gemini. You talk to it and it responds to you. You can as well upload a text or an audio, and it's going to interact with that audio. There are a lot of things you can do with Google AI Studio. Just for the basics, you can fetch information from any website link. You can turn text to speech for free. You can also go live audio to audio dialogue. You can generate images. When you come to generate media, you will see that you can generate songs, videos, and a whole lot of interactive tools here. You can as well build your own app using their API and their app templates. You can build your own app and host it, and you can make money with selling your apps. So this is how Google AI Studio works. Remember, it is free. All you need to do is to feel free to explore it. If you want to create images, you just click on it and it will open for you to create image. If you want to turn text to speech, you just click on it and it will take you where you will turn text to speech. You can see that you have multiple speaker or you have a single speaker. This is a beautiful AI suite. This comprises so many AI tools that you will want to work with all in one place. And like I said earlier, the good part is that it is free of charge. So feel free to explore these tools. All you need is a Google account, and you head over to aistudio.google.com. You sign in and you have access. If you have any video you want me to create or any question, drop it in the comments. Also, check the link in the description to join our WhatsApp and Telegram group, where you can connect with me and meet other creators to learn and grow together. I also have some free gifts, tools and courses. Check the description to get access to them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in our next video.